Lifestyle expert, Ava Uppal. Hello.
Hi, Tia. How are you doing?
Darling. I'm good. It's so good to see you as always.
Thank you for having us.
Hello, and I see you brought your little helper here today. Hi, sweetie.
We're so excited. Summer is here and school is out.
And I love you always come through with the best ideas to keep the kids busy at home with some really fun edible treats. So let's get into what you have today.
Absolutely. It doesn't have to be stressful. I only have 4 ideas here. Very simple. Most ingredients you already have at home. So let's get started.
Okay, let's do it.
Here we have some snow cone cupcakes. I'm going to show you how to make these.
I know Zora loves that stuff.
Yes. Well, actually, this one adults can have fun creating their own as well.
Yeah.
Very simple. Would you like to demo with us?
Absolutely.
Here we go. So it's very simple. You want to grab a cupcake, preferably vanilla, so everyone enjoys that in the summer.
Yes.
You want to add some frosting. Here we go.
She's like, Mommy, you're doing such a great job. I'm just going to let you keep it going.
Yes, here we go. Here's your spoon.
Okay,
so
thank you.
You can add some frosting on top of that cupcake and make it look like a snow cone shape, right? Pretty easy. You want to make sure the sides are scraped. And here we go. It looks like a dome. We're going to add some sprinkles right here.
Okay.
On one side of a bowl. And you're going to use a parchment paper to scrape it to the side. And then use that same parchment paper to hide and add a second layer of sanding sugar. So what color is it? Is the white? Do we like the white?
Yep.
Yes. Here we go. Let's add some more. And then finally, you're going to take that parchment paper again. Yes, you're going to pull the sanding sugar on the sides and now finally add the last color. So I'm excited for the cones. So here we go. And now, do you see how you get this perfectly colored 3
Absolutely.
colors? And you're going to pour the cupcake in the inside.
Okay.
Just like that. And you want to swish the cupcake around. It's going to give you a really pretty 3-colored cupcake. Here we go, Mickey.
So
you can try it out.
Okay.
And the best part is you can add a little spoon as well. And so you like to eat the little frosting off of the cupcake. Here we go.
How cool.
All right, should we try another one?
All right, let's do it. That was so fun.
And if you notice here, I have this really easy acrylic separator.
Yeah.
It's easier to craft with the kids at home. She did that like 5 times last night, so she's probably, I want to go to the next one and try another one. All right, so this one is super fun.
Wow.
This is the ice cream cups. We're going to pour our cup inside some melted chocolate. You can use the pink one if you would like.
Sure, yeah.
The pink one is candy melt, so just pop that in the microwave. It's super easy.
Okay.
And then you can add some sprinkles on top. Parents at home, don't feel bad about this. There are options that are toxic free. Yes. And then after you can just pop your ice cream and here we go. That'll be beautiful.
How cool is that? All right, and then last but not least,
Wow. This is a Nordic ware bun cake pan, and it's a castle shape. I love it. Right here, graham crackers to make it look like sand. Here we go. You can put it everywhere, and you have this little chocolate seashells as well that you can place all around it.
Just place one in the sand.
Yes, and here there are some cookies that look like they're under the ocean. So just grab some sugar cookie, some blue frosting, spread it all around.
Okay, and then I love to, again, you can use the crushed graham crackers for this as well.
Yeah, so did all of these last night, so she's probably saying, Mama, I want more activities, more ideas. Okay, I just did that.
Well, speaking of activities, ideas, you have a cookbook as well, so tell everyone where they can just follow along for more really neat ideas this summer, as well as some really cool recipes.
Absolutely. So my cookbook is here on my website, avauppal.com. Or I also have my Instagram and my YouTube where I share lots of ideas. Again, this Zoya already did all of them at home. Everything you see here, she did. So it's just that it's time for some new ideas, Mama. I'll be posting a lot more.
Love it. How did I do here? Is it okay?
It's gorgeous.
You like it, Zoya?
Yeah, she actually put some turtles in here. They were very cute.
Check it out. These were great. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you so much for having us.
Always a pleasure to have you.